everyone, this is Debbie Burgess, and I'm going to show you how I made this alcohol ink feather doodle. I'm starting with Duralar translucent paper, and I have a rough sketch that I place under my paper. The paper is translucent, so I can see that outline, and it's going to just give me a rough idea of the area that I want to cover with the alcohol inks. I wiped it down with some isopropyl alcohol to make sure there weren't any fingerprints on it to get better coverage. And now I'm just dropping a few drops of 4 different colors of alcohol ink, and these are DIY alcohol inks that I've made. I will make another video showing you how to do that if you would like. I'm using 4 colors. It's a medium blue, a dark blue, a dark green, and a purple. And also I'm using the Jacquard Pinata Gold Mixative. In this I'm just basically laying down a base of colors, and I will add several more layers to it to get the desired effect. I also am going to drop some isopropyl alcohol onto the gold spots that I put down, just so that they will spread out a little bit more. And that is the alcohol there. And I'm just continuing to add more of the ink. I'm staying with those 4 colors. And here I'm just using a blow dryer to dry the ink up a little bit. I'm not trying to move it around or anything. I'm just trying to dry it up because I do have a lot of ink on the paper at this point. And this is part 1 of 2. And this is where I'm just putting the alcohol ink on the paper. The second part of this is where I am drawing over the alcohol ink to make a feather. And thanks for watching. I hope you'll subscribe to my channel.